Hello everyone, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and just like I promised, I've got the how-to actual video product demonstration for the Lancome Genifique Hydrating Sheet Mask, which is actually a face mask. If you guys haven't worked with sheet masks, you'll see what I mean in a minute. But actually, Genifique is Lancome's anti-aging serum. And there's 3 different size bottles, but it kind of looks like this. And it's really neat because it has a little pop top that gives you the exact amount of anti-aging serum. And if you know anything about skincare, it's all about the serum these days. And it gives you just the perfect amount of product for application just in one little pump. And actually they have this is actually my travel size, but this is the Genifique eye cream. It is totally amazing, ladies. Lancome puts money into their science. Just in our trainings, they were talking about the budget that they actually put in the science behind the Lancome products, just to make sure we're getting the best skincare and makeup products in the world. But actually, one Genifique mask has the equivalent of product in the one mask as the smaller 3-ounce bottle of the Genifique serum. That's a lot of serum. So I've kind of opened the package, and the mask will come with a backing. Okay, so you are supposed to be laying down. It would be a little bit easier, but since I'm in front of the vanity, here we go. And it's like you see, it's got the holes all cut out. It's going to be kind of scary. So ladies, if you got small children, I don't know about letting them see the video. My daughter just told me I look like the Halloween guy. I don't know if I like that, but anyway, so we're going to put the mask, and it's kind of peeled up, so I will get it down where it's supposed to be. And it is a jelly-like consistency. So you're going to smooth it out and kind of make sure it, I'm going to pull this up because my crow's feet are one of the things that I want to work on the most. So I'm going to, excuse me, I should have turned off the notifications, but here we go. So this is what it looks like, ladies. And you can see it's real jelly-like, kind of shiny. And the instructions on the blog, I had said 10 minutes to total hydration, and that is just from research and certain clients that I've worked with and found, because the instructions on the back of the mask actually say 30 minutes. So we're just going to, for content's sake, say anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes, you choose. But actually, the instructions say that you can use this in the morning and as your skincare routine in the morning under makeup, and or at night. So it really doesn't matter what time of day. But I'm just telling you how it feels. It is cooling. I can tell like a cooling sensation right now. And it's feeling like my skin is just getting a major, major drink of water. Major drink of water. It is so cooling. And clients have told me also that the longer you leave the mask on, it starts to get a little tingly. And I assured them that this is just a natural part of the process. It's just your skin's kind of way of absorbing the product. And the tingling is our way to know that it's working. And this is kind of silly looking, but I can't believe I'm putting this on a video. But you guys, I will make an after video and product review after I have left the mask on for, I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes, but I'm not going to keep you guys on here for the full 10 minutes. But I just want to remind you that every Tuesday on the blog, kimsbeautybiz.com, it's everything beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. I kind of like to do, of course, a lot of skincare and tutorials, but I like to do a lot of other things as well. You will always get excellent content, and I'm trying to upload more videos to my YouTube channel. So please, if you get a chance, go to YouTube and check out. It's Kim's Beauty Biz on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel now. And so I would appreciate if you head on over there and like, share, and follow. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the little bell. You will get notifications. Every week I upload a new video to YouTube. And so just be sure to check back, because it's kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. But anyway, I can feel this is so invigorating, ladies. So invigorating. Very nice. Very nice. And the Lancome Genifique, if my skin ever is feeling dull, I use this as part of your skincare routine. As you know, ladies, facial steps is cleansing, exfoliating, toning, and moisturizing. And your serum actually goes before the moisturizing. So you're cleansing, taking everything off. You're exfoliating, which without getting rid of the dead skin, it doesn't matter any amount of skincare or makeup that you put on your skin to feel better. It's not going to penetrate. You've got to get rid of the cornflakes, ladies. The cornflakes is the dead skin that's on the outside for anything to be able to penetrate. And if you don't take care of your skin and exfoliate the dead skin, no matter what amount of makeup you're going to put on, it's not going to look as great as it would, because it's just going to make the makeup cake and sit in your lines. So exfoliate, please, once a week. But this, I would recommend doing the Genifique mask as part of a weekly routine. Whenever you need the hydration, I was a little bit sunburnt before the first time I used this, and the cooling effect, oh, you talk about heaven. But we're probably about 7 minutes, so I'm going to take the mask off. And just a little tip, there is enough product in the mask, ladies, that you can use it. And I've put mine in a little resealable bag, and you can use it more than once. So you're talking about $130. This is a $79 bottle of the Genifique, but ranging anywhere from $69 to $133 for the serum. And a mask, you can get the smaller travel bottle full of the Genifique in the mask is a no-brainer to me. And of course, we always do, skincare on a budget. We're beauty on a budget, babes, here. But just look. And now the instructions say to massage all the extra product into our skin. And you know that means up and out, ladies. Up and out. I kind of use the two outer parts and just look. I mean, you talk about hydrating. It is glowing. There is a glow to my skin. And this is amazing. So you've got to check it out, ladies. It's going to be one of the best $15 investments you'll ever make. And that's the Lancome Genifique Hydrating Gel Mask. As always, kimsbeautybiz.com. You guys take care. And as always, much love to you.